When considering HelpDesk software, there are key factors that could make or break your decision. Understanding these points can save you time, money, and headaches, especially when compared to other tools in the market. Stick around as we walk you through 12 things you need to know before making your purchase. First up, HelpDesk offers an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. Unlike some competitors with steep learning curves, this software ensures your team can get up to speed quickly. But while simplicity is great, it does mean you lose some advanced customization options that others offer. So, if you're after deep flexibility, this may not be the right fit for you. Next thing to consider, integrations. HelpDesk supports a wide range of third-party apps, which is crucial for businesses relying on different tools. However, compared to other HelpDesk platforms, there are some limitations when it comes to native integrations. If seamless integration with specific apps is a deal breaker, be sure to check if HelpDesk supports what you need. The third thing to think about is the ticketing system. HelpDesk's ticketing system is solid, featuring automation to help route and prioritize issues. It's a good solution for smaller teams, but larger organizations might find it a bit too basic. Competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk offer more robust ticket management features that cater better to bigger teams with complex needs. Now, let's talk about customer support. HelpDesk offers support via email and live chat, but the response time can be a bit slower than you might expect. Competitors like Freshdesk shine in this area with 24/7 support and faster response times. The fifth thing, pricing. HelpDesk offers a straightforward pricing model that is appealing to small and medium-sized businesses. It's generally more affordable than high-end competitors like Zendesk or Salesforce, but if you need more advanced features, you might find it lacking. Be sure to assess your budget and what features you really need. Next, let's talk security. HelpDesk offers basic security features, such as SSL encryption, but compared to premium solutions, the security measures might not be as comprehensive. If you deal with sensitive data or require extra layers of security, check if the software meets your standards. The seventh point is reporting and analytics. HelpDesk's reporting features are decent but limited. They provide basic insights into ticket statuses and response times, but compared to other options like Freshdesk, they fall short in delivering in-depth analytics and performance metrics. The eighth thing to keep in mind is scalability. HelpDesk is great for startups and growing businesses, but as you expand, you may find it lacks some of the scalability features that larger companies need. If you're planning for long-term growth, it's worth comparing this to other solutions designed for larger enterprises. Next up, customization. HelpDesk allows for some customization, especially with ticket forms and fields, but it's not as flexible as solutions like Zendesk, which offers more in-depth options for tailoring the software to your business. If custom workflows are essential, this might not be the best fit. The 10th thing is the mobile app. HelpDesk offers a mobile version, but it's a bit limited in terms of functionality. If you need a full-featured mobile app to manage customer support on the go, competitors like Freshdesk offer a more comprehensive mobile experience. The 11th thing to consider is the learning curve. As mentioned, HelpDesk is user-friendly, but getting the most out of its features requires some time. For those who need a truly hands-off experience, solutions like Zendesk provide more powerful onboarding and training options to help you hit the ground running. The 12th and final point is customer reviews. HelpDesk gets positive feedback overall, with users appreciating its ease of use and simplicity. However, there are occasional complaints about the lack of features compared to more expensive alternatives. If you're looking for something that strikes a balance between cost and features, it could be a good option, but you'll need to assess if it's the right fit for your specific needs. It's a good option, but if you want a better solution with more robust features and a more seamless experience, check out our recommended software. You can try it for free, no strings attached.